It's Bonnie. I'm back. Happy Wednesday. I've actually got Ipsy for you guys tonight. Check it out. I've got my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios, which means I get both bags each month for free. And I meant to do this one earlier this month. I'm going to toss my Ipsy box out of the way here. I just had so much going on, I didn't get to it, but this is an exciting month for Ipsy. It is called Wanderlust, and it says recharge, reset, go off the grid, discover rare new ingredients, go wild with manis, try techniques that soothe your skin and your mind. So super excited about showing you what's in the August Ipsy bag. So I'm going to do the regular bag first. These are $12 a month. I'm so nostalgic about Ipsy. This was the first glam bag I ever got in 2017. Oh my gosh. So I'm liking the bag this month. Check it out. It opens up with this nice green here. And I'm just going to take my products out here. I got, oh my gosh, this was a neat product. I love milk makeup. This is always a neat thing to get. This is a, I think this is Cheek, Lips and Cheek. It's a duo. I like when you get a duo. I'm going to turn this on. This looks very nice. Check it out right there. I like throwing these in my purse. They're really easy to just store. They don't take up a lot of room. This is called Work. I think this is called Work. So neat shade right there. A little pinkish red going on. Next up, I got Dragon's Blood, which is a sculpting gel from Rhode Isle. Check that out. I don't know if I can do sculpting gel. I might gift that one off. I also got a Tint and Tame brow gel. I'm definitely gifting the brow gel. I have brows. Trust me, I do have them here. I just have them always covered up because I wear bangs all the time. I don't know. I've always had bangs with my hair, so I don't really worry about my brows too much. I also have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I'm going to try that out. That actually sounds really neat. Cute little sample going on here. If I can open it. There we go. Ooh. No scent on this one. That's kind of neat. And then I also got the Verso Facial Cleanser for daily use. So cute little bag going on there. The Glam Bag Plus is $25. Check it out. I like the bag. Oh my gosh. It's got this like, it almost looks like snakeskin. I am so obsessed with this bag. This is gorgeous. It has a Halloween vibe to it. Everything I look at these days, I kind of like put on my Halloween meter, as in, would it be good for Halloween? And I really think this bag, let me unpack it here, would be a really neat Halloween bag. So I'm so excited about the bag. It's a drawstring. How cool is this? I don't know. I like it. So what did I get in this bag? Like I said, $25 per month subscription. I got a brush. Check it out. This is a Be Beautiful Be You Farrah blender brush. I have so many brushes, you guys. I am obsessed with makeup brushes. I also got the, what is this? The Gel Pencil Eyeliner 2 units. I might try this out. Try out the Gel Pencil. Oops. As I throw it on the floor. It comes with a really neat sharpener. How cool is that? I'm kind of old school. I kind of like the eyeliners that have the actual wood, like an actual pencil. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh, that's like a, it's like a green. Check that out. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That might be a nice fall shade. I'm liking this one too. This is like a nice, oh, those are pretty. Oh my gosh. I do prefer the gel liners over the regular ones. It works better with my 51-year-old eyes. It's easier to get on without smudging, but I'm really loving this, this sharpener. That is super cute. Okay, next up, For Murad, I got the Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. I'm probably going to pass this on to my mom because she does have sensitive skin. She may use this one. I got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I always get so excited. I rotate through mascara a lot through all different brands. I'm not super overly dedicated to brands. I use Urban Decay, I use Avon, I use Tarte. I kind of go through this Too Faced. Tarte is definitely one of my favorite brands. Check it out. Neat case on this. I really like the case, but I literally go through mascara. I think I've mentioned this before, like every 3 weeks. I don't like to keep mascara around. I'm always worried about, like, I don't know, cooties. I'm definitely someone who's kind of a germaphobe with mascara. It dries out. I feel like it gets clumpy after a couple weeks too. So I get all these free, mascaras in my beauty bags, and then, I've got Avon, so I'm always cycling through mascara all the time, but I like this. I've never seen mascara in this type of packaging before. And then, finally, I got the Deuce Posh Powder Palette. Check this out. Let's see what this looks like. I've used a lot of Deuce products. This is let me open this up. It's a nice palette for a beauty box. Check it out. Look at that. That's really nice. I like this. You know why I like this? I actually realized that I'm not out of blush, but I feel like I've cycled through most of the blush that I've used recently, and I need to, like, restock my blush. I always do that. Like, I'll be like, what else do I need? And this looks really pretty for fall. Check those shades out. So I will definitely utilize this. It does come with a mirror, which is nice. So overall, I like the Glam Bag Plus a lot. The smaller bag, it's okay for $12. I get a lot of nice samples in there. I like that Ipsy gives us a little bigger of a sample size. And then the Glam Bag Plus was definitely worth it. The mascara is wonderful. I never buy mascara ever between, Avon and all of my beauty boxes. I always get mascara around. I also absolutely, I'm really liking these eye pencils. These are really neat, these gel pencils. And then the Deuce palette. This is a nice addition to my ever-growing huge makeup collection. One day I should do a tour of my makeup table. It's kind of messy now, but I do have a ton of palettes. I'm kind of a makeup addict too. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Again, Ipsy does gift me these 2 bags as part of the Ipsy Open Studios. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.